Today we made some fresh Arayes with yogurt dip. Oh.
Let's start with spicing up the beef for the Arayes. And we're gonna begin with the garlic. Some salt. Spices of choice. Half chopped onion. 30 grams of cheese. Chop some fresh basil. Half of the basil we use for the yogurt dip. But this is for the Arayes. Let's mix it. Easy yogurt dip to serve on the Arayes. Go over here. A little bit of salt, adds flavor. Some onion and garlic finely chopped. Some fresh chopped basil, parsley or cilantro. And some cayenne pepper. A little squeeze of lime juice. And now we can all just stir it up and mix it. Let's get it. And now let's stuff some pitas. Come on. Break it down now, break it down now. Let's add some coconut oil or normal oil to the pan. And fry that Arayes. Come on. Break it down now, break it down now. They're ready, let's serve.
Get that fresh Arayes on a plate and some yogurt on there too. Today we made some fresh Arayes with yogurt dip. Oh.